Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to day 2 of my back to school series, which means that every single day this week I will be posting a video related to back to school. Now before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow I will be posting another video Thursday and Friday. If you haven't checked out yesterday's video, I will link it up here. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers who comment on my video. I am just in complete shock how I have followers from all over the world commenting on my videos. I've even had some write to me in a totally different language, but I use Google Translator, so I do understand your messages and thank you so much. Now today's video is very much related to back to school because I don't know about you guys, but my kids go through their clothes like insanely quick. So once a year I will go into their closets and purge out all the clothes that don't fit them or things that are seasonal, things that I know they are not going to wear again. And I usually like to do this right before school starts so that I can make room for their new uniform and just new clothing in general. My daughter will be getting new shoes this year, so I'm going to get rid of the shoes that don't fit her so I can make room for the new shoes this year. And just as a quick FYI, I will not be purchasing anything new for their closets. I'm working with the organization bins that they already have. It's gonna save me a trip to the store and it's gonna save me money. So if you'd like to see how I declutter and organize my kids' closet, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so this is how my daughter's closet is looking so far. I know that there are a lot of things in here that I could get rid of, so let me just show you a quick before. So there's one thing for sure that I knew I wanted to take out of her closet, and it's all of her snow jackets. We used these last year for our Chicago trip, and I know that she's not going to be using this anytime soon. So we're going to relocate those into one of the small closets that I have in my master bedroom. Last week, I posted a video of myself decluttering and organizing my master bedroom closet. However, I did not show you that smaller closet that we have in our master bedroom. That closet currently houses all of the seasonal gear of our family, so that is where all of these big fluffy jackets are going to head to. And then now I'm just kind of looking at the sizes of all of the clothes, and anything that I know for sure does not fit her, I'm going to put into a separate pile so that I can give away for donations. I'm going to be looking through all of these hand-me-down bags. Mia is very fortunate that she has an older cousin, so all of the clothes that doesn't fit her anymore will go to Mia. So I'm just looking through all of these clothes to see what actually fits her right now. Mia had like these medium-sized clear shoe boxes or bins. These are from Target. They're very affordable. So in one of them, I'm just putting all of her hats. And then in the other one, I did leave the lid open and I put all of her purses. Now I'm going to be organizing this chaos. And you guys, my daughter has so many headbands. I honestly don't know how to store them anymore. I'm sort of sorting them into like headbands and then just like little clip bows, but I really don't know how to store these. If you guys have any storage solutions for headbands and bows, please comment down below because I do not have time to make my own DIY headband holder or none of that. I know I've seen some super cute ones on Pinterest, but I just do not have the time. So if you know of any storage solutions that I can use, please definitely leave a comment down below. ended up removing the hamper that she had inside her closet just because it was getting a bit uncomfortable to get her dirty laundry from in there. So now I'm going to be organizing all of her clothes back inside the closet. So I started with the sweaters all the way in the back, and then I'm going to move on to like long sleeve shirts and blouses. Then I move on to the dresses, and within the dresses I'm going to categorize them by sleeve length. So the short sleeves will be at the front, and then the long sleeves will be towards the back. And then I do the same thing with the shirts. If my daughter has clothing that comes in a set like this one, I'm going to first hang the pants or the leggings, and then on top of that I'll hang the shirt. This just keeps everything nice and organized, and she's right now in a stage that she does get dressed on her own, so if she's looking for an outfit and pulls this one out, she knows that everything is together. Now that I have so much extra room in the closet, I'm going to go ahead and take out her new uniform from the box that it came in. Yes, how embarrassing, I haven't taken it out, but I'm going to just take everything out of their bags and hang them in this little section. I decided to hang her uniforms at the lower rack because this year I am going to teach her some responsibility, and she will be getting dressed on her own for school. So this way she can easily reach everything, and she was actually pretty excited when she saw all her uniform at her reach. The drawers from her dresser are pretty organized, so I'm not really going to touch that except this one drawer, which is her sock drawer. I did purchase some new socks for her and getting rid of the socks that don't fit her anymore. Moving on to my son's closet, his was pretty much organized as well, but I did take a bin from the top of the closet that was full of hand-me-down clothes as well. He is very fortunate as well that he has an older cousin that can give him some clothing. So right now, most of the clothes that's hung on his closet are 24 months, but he did have a bin that was full of 2T clothes, which is basically the same thing. So I'm going to be hanging all of those clothes in hangers and then sort of rearranging the way the clothes are placed. In these clear bins, I usually have things that he doesn't grab for too often, which are the hats and bathing suits. So I'm going to tell you how I ended up organizing his clothing. So on the far left, on the lower rack, I have his sweaters and jackets, then moving on to his rompers, then his jeans and pants, and lastly his shorts. And then in the top rack, I organized his shirts by sleeve size. So first are all his tank tops. Then I color coordinated his t-shirts. Then I have his polos. He only has 4, but I put those in right after his t-shirts. Then come his short sleeve shirts and then his long sleeve shirts. This little organizer here used to be Mia's when she was little, so this is 6 years old, and here I just organized his blankets at the bottom, and then at the top I organized all of his shoes. And that's it. I was done with his closet and I was very happy the way it turned out. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below letting me know you did enjoy it. See you all in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.